Hey everyone, it's Katina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be starting off a first week of college vlog because the UC system has week 0 with just 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday. I only got a first day of school vlog because I only had class on Thursday, so I thought that I would do an official first full week of college vlog. So yeah, it is currently Monday and it's like 10:45ish right now. I'm gonna have some breakfast and I only have class at 2, so I have some time to just like, I don't know, get ahead on some work, I guess, do some reading, and probably just plan mostly. I want to stay really organized and keep everything planned, so yeah. This is my breakfast, some cereal with almond milk, banana. Okay, so I'm just warming up some pasta now. I brought a bunch of food from home this weekend, which will just help me save a lot of time, and it's much tastier because it is my mom's food. If you guys want to see like what I eat in a day, I will totally do that. I'm already kind of planning on doing it, so yeah, because eating food in college is difficult. It's just, it takes a lot of time and it's hard to be healthy. So yeah, I want to show you guys my tips, tricks, how I stay healthy in college. Yeah, also outfits of the week will be coming too.
I see it.
I wasn't good. Do you have any videos? Oh, it's there? Why are you taking a picture of the finish? Dude, I was picking food off my lip.
No, you're not in it.
Okay, good.
I'm still hyperventilating. Okay, so story is, we saw patrickstarrr in BJ's and I was hyperventilating. Yeah, and I was hyperventilating, literally. I'm still like kind of shook and I was too scared to say hi. But I was sitting right behind him.
But I took the scenic route and I looked at his face and he looked at me dead in the eye.
Yeah.
And it was a moment.
Yeah. So hi Patrick, I'm sorry I was too scared to say hi.
Steady, gradual line increasing. This is representing height on the y-axis and age on the x. So in sum, each theory that ascribes.
Okay, hey guys, it's Wednesday. I'm back home now. I just finished eating, and today was a crazy long day, like one of the longest days that I've had so far. So Wednesdays are going to be my busy day because basically I start off with volunteering at the transfer center in the mornings, and then I have a full day of classes and possibly clubs. I don't know. Yeah, I was just going to an info session today, so that's why I was out until like 8. Do I look tired? Probably. Yeah, and then it started to rain, so it was a random kind of rainy day, I guess. That is all the update I have. Hello, happy Thursday. Me and Queenie are headed to class now, so I will update you soon.
This pose.
Look at her, so fancy.
Today, smoking is gonna save lives.
Yeah, that's the one I have again today. Hey guys, so it's Thursday now. I'm not really doing anything today. My dad was gonna come up and get dinner with me because he was already gonna be in LA for some meetings, but his meetings got canceled, so that ended up not happening, so I don't really have anything going on now. So I've just been on YouTube, working, doing some editing, and then I'm gonna probably read. I know Thursday is like a night that people usually go out and it's only week 1, but I already feel so behind and I just want to work. Yeah, so I'm just probably gonna eat soon. I guess I can show you guys what I eat. I'm still not sure what I want to eat, but yeah, that's where it is right now. Okay, so for dinner I am having these chickenless mandarin orange morsels from Trader Joe's. They are my favorite. They're so easy to make. So I feel like that and dumplings are like usually the only frozen foods that I'll usually have. But lately I have also been freezing the food that my mom makes for me just to preserve its freshness. But that's like freshly made food that I freeze, but yeah, whatever. So yeah, I am just cooking the frozen morsels now, and then I decided to jazz it up a little since I have the time. So I'm gonna cut some bell peppers, add in some garlic, and I just have these like leftover greens, so if they're still good I'm gonna add those in too. This is how it is looking. I added a bunch of garlic and stuff to it, and now I think I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I don't know, is that weird? But last time I made this it was just too sweet for me, so I added a bunch of garlic this time, and I don't know, I just feel like it makes sense to add some spice, that I'm not just like adding hot sauce over it. Okay, I have no idea how much I just added, so let's hope that's okay. I have some leftover rice that I'm probably just gonna mix into here too, because I don't like to use microwaves, and I put it in the fridge already. I was gonna mix it all together anyways, so might as well. It's not that much rice, but it's all I have left over, and I had a bunch of rice, like so much at lunch, so I don't really want that much right now anyways. Not that I'm trying to limit my carbs or anything, because I don't believe in that. I am all for high carb, but I don't know, I'm just really not in the mood to have a buttload of rice because I just ate so much. So I don't know, I like how this is looking. It's just a good amount. Voila, it's done. Guys, I just tried this and I am really shook at how good it is. This is how it is. I don't know, I think I just put like the perfect amount of garlic and spice in it. This might be the best thing I've ever made, and I'm really, really shocked right now, but yeah, what the heck? Yes, woo, yes. Hey guys, so it's Friday now, and I don't have class on Fridays, so I just thought I would show you like what I do when I don't have class, how my day goes, how I study. If I study today, we'll see. So yeah, I'm just cooking myself some lunch right now. Put some bell peppers, some red tomatoes, and garlic in here. I feel like I should do some cooking videos because I've just been showing a lot of cooking and I've really been having to get back into it, so it's been super fun. But yeah, today, I don't know, I'm gonna try to grocery shop or something because I'm kind of running out of groceries. And I will show you guys what happens today.
Terrorist continues and tensions are running high. The president may be asking for war, but it seems war has already been declared on him.